Okay, I'm going to try side saddle reload. So one on the popper, one on the spinner, side saddle reload, second one on the spinner. Then I'm going to load off my the shot shell holders, and I'm going to empty out the plate. We'll see how that works.
I'm not waiting for it though. I'm going to be doing something else. Looks like you're in a tent.
Just made it, man. No more rounds left. Okay, let's see how this works. We're going to try 2 on the spinner. Then it's going to go my action open. I'm going to try loading one off the side saddle. And then I'm going to go ahead and top off the shotgun off of my shot shell holder. So we'll see how that works. Shoot! Keep on forgetting to. Okay, I got 4 shot shells left, actually 5. So I'm trying to go take down a plate for 4, and then put one on the spinner over there if I can get it, or on the popper, whatever. So actually what I'll do is, I will put one in. Boom! Smoking gun.